Good day, everybody. This is Dr. Nandi. Today we are going to talk about increasing or decreasing function in an interval. So I will share my computer screen with you. Says find the open interval in which the function is increasing or decreasing. The function is y equal to x plus 4 over x. Okay. So let's do the problem. Solution. Y is equal to x plus 4 over x. So y prime is equal to 1 minus 4 over x square. Why? Because x to the power of minus 1, the minus will come when I differentiate with respect to x, and differentiation of x minus 1 is x minus 2, so my x square goes in the denominator, or y prime is equal to x square by x square minus 4 over x square, which is x square minus 4 over x square. So actually y prime, if I factor and the expression x square minus 4, I get x minus 2 and x plus 2 over x, okay, over x square. Okay, so critical numbers are x equal to plus minus 2. So and there is no discontinuity. Discontinuity is 0. 0. So let's test the intervals. Test intervals. And the intervals will be between minus infinity less than x less than minus 2, and then minus 2 I meant to say discontinuity, that's 0. Okay, less than x less than 0, and then the next interval will be 0 less than x less than 2, and the last, so let me write that correctly. And then 2 less than x less than infinity. Okay, so we will look at the sign of y prime. So between minus infinity and minus 2, let's see. So this will be a negative, 2 negatives, because x minus 2 is, say, we take x equal to minus 3. So minus 3 times minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 5, and minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So basically 2 minus in the numerator, it becomes positive. So y prime is greater than 0 in this interval. Greater than 0. And then for the other one, let's look between minus 2 and 0. Minus 2 and 0. For example, if I take, say I take minus 1, and then it is positive, right? Because let me, so if I take, say, between -2 and 0, say I take x equal to -1, so um, -1 times -2, -1 minus 2 is -3, and -1 plus 2 is positive actually. So one positive, one negative. So what does happen to the numerator? It becomes less than 0. So this one y prime is less than 0. Okay. And similarly, if I take between 0 and 2, such as 1, this is also less than 0. Because suppose I take x equal to 1, 1 minus 2 is negative, 1 plus 2 is positive. 1 negative and 1 positive in the numerator will make the numerator less than 0 or negative. So y prime is less than 0 here. And then if I take x greater than 2, then y prime is greater than 0. Of course, because both the terms in the numerator are positive. Okay. So conclusion is, what is my conclusion in the different intervals? When y prime is greater than 0, it is increasing. Function is increasing. It is decreasing. Decreasing when y prime is less than 0. So this interval, it is decreasing. This is also decreasing between 0 and 2. So -2 to 2, it is decreasing basically with a discontinuity at 0. And then increasing over here. So if I make this a little bit smaller, so increasing here. Okay. So increasing on minus infinity to -2, and then from 2 to infinity. Okay. Okay. And decreasing on -2 to 0, and then 0 to 2. Okay. So that's the answer to our problem. The interval in which the function is increasing is from -infinity to -2, and then on the other side from 2 to infinity. Now from -2 to 0, it is decreasing, and then again from 0 to 2, it is decreasing. So there is a discontinuity at 0. I'll stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'll be back next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. You know, I'm always looking to solve interesting problems just for you. Take care. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. See you next time.